Today I'm making woodruff syrup. First step is, of course, to pick some woodruff. I'm lucky enough to have it grow in my garden. Now wash it thoroughly and then ignore it for a few hours. Seriously, that typical woodruff scent only develops once it wilts. The beauty of decay. Mix equal parts sugar and water. For 2 handfuls of woodruff, I use about half a liter of water and half a kilo of sugar. On the hob on medium heat, allow the sugar to dissolve and the syrup to form. Now add the woodruff and put it back on the heat. Let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. Stir occasionally. Your kitchen will smell like the spirit of spring itself descended to bless you. The rest is pretty standard stuff. Prepare some clean bottles, a sieve and a funnel. Fill your bottles with boiling water. When you're ready to bottle, use a kitchen towel soaked in cold water to protect your fingers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not subscribe? There's more where that came from.